Hi everyone, for today's video, it's about things in the house or around the house and furniture. Actually, I already uploaded this one, but it's in Tagalog. So today it's gonna be in Bisaya or Cebuano with English translation. So let's start. First one, chair, lingkuranan, lingkuranan. Bed, katre, katre. Table, lamisa, lamisa. Window, bintana, bintana. Mirror, samin, samin. Pillow, unlan, unlan. Door, pultahan, pultahan. Cabinet, kabinete, kabinete, or sometimes they call it aparador. Couch, sopa, sopa. Floor, salog, salog. Ceiling, alcobe, alcobe. Roof, atop, atop. Calendar, kalendaryo, kalendaryo. Stairs, hagdan, hagdan. Blanket, habol, habol. Clock, orasan, orasan. Curtain, cortina, cortina. Flower vase, florera sa bulak, florera sa bulak. Bedmat, banig, banig. Mosquito net, mosquitero, mosquitero. Pillowcase, kaso sa unlan, kaso sa unlan. Radio, radyo, radyo. Rug, trapo, trapo. Key, Yahweh, Yahweh. Bedroom, katulganan, katulganan or higdaan. Kitchen, kusina, kusina. Bathroom, kaliguanan, kaliguanan. House, balay, balay. Living room, sala, sala. Dining room, kananan, kananan. Garage, garahe, garahe. Garden, tanaman, tanaman. Chest, baul, baul. Wall, bongbong, bongbong. Hallway, agianan, agianan. Balcony, balkonahe, balkonahe. Driveway, agianan, agianan. Light, suga, suga. Faucet, gripo, gripo. Television, television, television. Electric fan, ventilador, ventilador. Electricity, kuryente, kuryente. Water, tubig, tubig. Iron, plancha, plancha. Stove, stove. Sorry about that. Stove, lutuan, lutuan. Matchstick, posporo, posporo. Faucet, gripo. Sink, lababo, lababo. Ironing board, planchahan. Pitcher, litrato, litrato. Soap, sabon. Bucket, balde, balde. Towel, toalya, toalya. That's it for today's video, and I hope you learn a lot. So please subscribe this channel because there's really some of the words like towel in Tagalog is tuwalya with W. In Bisaya, it's tualya without W. So just subscribe this channel so you won't miss anything, and I'll do my best to make a video every day, like 3 times a day, so I can help you guys with, learning in Bisaya and Tagalog. Thank you.